we are excited to introduce our latest innovation. Key features. Impressive power capacity. This power station boasts a robust 185 Wh lithium-ion battery pack, ensuring you have enough energy to keep your devices powered up. It features one AC outlet, rated 300W, 2 PD ports, 2 Type-C ports, 2 USB-C ports, and 1 DC port. With 6 power output ports in total, you can simultaneously charge a variety of devices, including laptops, phones, drones, car fridges, cameras, AC fast charge and portability. Recharge the power station conveniently with an AC adapter at home, via your car outlet during road trips, or even with solar panels. Its portable handle makes it incredibly easy to carry. Exceptional safety. Safety is paramount, and that's why our power station comes equipped with an excellent battery management system, BMS. It safeguards your devices through temperature control, over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and short-circuit protection. It's designed to detect and respond to short circuits and overloads. Outdoor-ready backup power. We understand the importance of staying connected in the great outdoors. Our power station is thoughtfully designed to be lightweight, weighing just 1.8 kilograms, and includes a sturdy handle for easy transport. Additionally, it features an 8W bright emergency flashlight on the back, capable of projecting a powerful beam of 500 lumens. Whether you are camping, hiking, or preparing for unexpected emergencies, with the 50000 mAh backup power supply, you'll never have to worry about running out of power when you need it most. Stay connected, stay powered,